Hello guys, this is our simple living room where Mark is sitting while having his breakfast and watching news from YouTube. And it's sunny day outside. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again to our channel, Maya and Mark. So this is our daily routine. And by the way guys, our vlog, random lang po to. Sometimes I speak English because of Mark. Tapos ngayon, I'm alone. So I'll speak Filipino language, Tagalog. So yeah, may mga content kami na hindi pinaplano. Oh, sorry for that motorcycle sound. Kasi we're just starting vlogging. Kaya magulo pa. But hopefully, eventually, we will learn sa mga mistake namin. Tsaka yeah, all our content might be cooking. Tsaka yung mga daily routine namin. Yeah. As a mom, as a partner. So since wala pa akong work ngayon, kaya ito muna pinagkakabalahan ko. So for those who couldn't understand Filipino language, you can just turn on the subtitle. So you might understand our dialect. Anyway, I think I having fun doing this vlog because yeah, I'm foreseeing myself doing this actually for a very long time. So yeah, please bear with us kasi may mga content din kami baka bored na sa inyo. So you are free to comment down below and give us some idea kung ano yung mga gusto nyo ipagawa sa amin. Except below the belt, of course. Fun lang. Okay? Beautiful peeps. So guys, tapos na po ako mag-peel off ng potato and carrots. So, I'm into cubes para sa lulutuin ko mamaya na chicken caldereta or chicken casserole. Parang similar lang ganyan. One of my favorite dish with tomato, ano tayo to, sauce, tsaka liver spread. Diba usually mga Pilipino mahilig lagay ng liver spread sa mga ulam na niluluto. Not sure kung ano pa yung iba. I tried once. Sarap talaga. Promise. So, ito na yung buhay ko dito ngayon kasi OFW kami dati. So, nag-pandemic. Kaya, nag-work din ako dito. Kaso lang, I resigned. For some reason, I tried BPO also. Maganda rin kasi, you know, napapractice mo yung English communication mo. Gusto ko rin yun. Kaso lang, hindi kinaya ng power ko for sa night shift. Aww. Pero it's a good experience, great experience actually. Customer service, maano yung enhance yung skill mo sa customer service, communication skill mo, yung English proficiency mo, yung ganun. May mga matutunan ka ng mga English words na hindi mo na encounter before, mga ano tawag nito, mga vocabulary. So, me and Mark, nandito lang kami sa Philippines. So, busy din siya sa website niya. Yung link na nasa namin, profile, yun yung website niya. For culinary, business and culinary.